Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Grace. Before we go any further, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you don't miss out on any uploads. Today's video is on this look. You see? So your girl got this package, your girl got this gift, I got this gift and I used from it to create this look you see on me. How do I look? Alright, let's go and see. Let's see how I created this look. Alright, so guys, this is how this package looks like. And here is a highlighter. This is a mask, skincare. Very importantly, I'm going to be filming a video on that very soon on my skincare routine, and I'll be demonstrating how to use this. And this is a lipstick. This is an eyeliner. This is a mascara. Primer, the face primer. This is an eyebrow pencil, a setting spray. This is a blush and another eyeliner. So I'm going to be taking from this package to create this look you see on me. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows. I have a detailed video on eyebrows, so I'm going to link it somewhere here so you can see in case you've not seen the video already. I'll go ahead now to prime my eyes so that I can apply my eyeshadow, and I'll be using the classic eyeshadow primer. It's important for you to apply a primer on your face because this forms a base for your eyeshadow to sit very nicely, and to bring out the pigment very clearly. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking from this palette, the Magic by Juvias palette, and I'll be reaching into this palette to take this shade here. This is the shade Nana. So I'm going to be using it for my transition, for the transition shade. You want to take this very lightly and just apply it below your brow bone and just a little above your crease. My Goron palette. I want to take this shade here, this, for my crease. I want to take this very lightly as well, with a blending brush like this. Place it here. This is your crease, where your eye socket is, and then gently massage this. Go back with that same brush you used for your transition. Take just a little from the transition shade you used here and try to clean out any harsh lines that the crease color might leave. This helps to blend out any harsh lines. You can see how this is blending out very nicely now. You guys know me with this palette. I love it so much. There's so much you can do with it. And with my flat brush, I'm going to take this I'd already primed my eyes, that's why I did not use a primer again, but it's important to use a primer on your eyelid. That gives the base for your eyeshadow to sit more nicely and to bring out the pigment. So from this parcel I received, I've taken this eyeliner. I'm going to use it to just line my eyes. You want to extend so from the same parcel, I'm going to take this Jacobs pencil and line my eyes, the waterline of my eyes. It's a retractable pencil. Next is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm going to apply it on my eyelid, on my lashes. So I've done my eyes. I'm going to go ahead now from the same package I received. I'm going to take this Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer and prime my face. I'm becoming a mess. I'm becoming a mess, guys. I like to apply it here because this is where I tend to sweat, this is where I tend to produce oil more on my face. I like this primer because it's very smooth, it's very silky, and it feels very nice, like it blends very nicely. It has this kind of velvety feel. My face is feeling velvety right now. Okay, so I'm going to take the Fitme foundation, the one you guys have seen in about 2 or 3 videos now. I'll place this on my face. Then with my flat foundation brush, I'm going to spread this all over my face. Always remember that your neck is an extension of your face. So whatever you do to your face, extend it to your neck. Take a moist beauty blender and just blend this. Next, I'm going to be highlighting my face with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm in the shade Cool Tan. My beauty blender again. So with a flat brush like this, I'm going to take a little on the brush and I'm just going to use this to perfect it. This brush, I'm going to set my highlight with Sacha Buttercup setting powder as usual. Next, with this angled brush, I'm going to reach into the Zara face palette to set my contour. Next, from the same package, I'm going to take this is a highlighter. Where's my fan brush? So with this, I'm going to use this classic lipstick. This is in the shade Classic Purple, Electric Purple. Before we go, I'm going to take from this my setting spray. Yeah. And this is the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is how I look. I've told you to forget this desert encroachment that is happening here. Alright, so thank you guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a comment for me in the comment section down below. If you have any suggestions, any inputs whatsoever, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below for me. And if you are dropping by for the first time and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the family so you don't miss out on any videos when next we post. Thank you so much guys. I love all of you. I truly do, and I appreciate all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.